explain how Dutch auction contract works. So first, before we are gonna deploy this contract, we will update this configuration. So for testing purpose, I added the starting price, ending price like this, and every 1 second the amount is decrement in this 0.0001 ether, and starting timestamp is just before the 30 seconds before. The point is Dutch auction quantity when the the total minted quantity reach to this amount, then the final price is defined at the price of this amount is minted out everything. So that's all. Let's start. I will deploy the transaction, and usually the normal mint function is here, mint Dutch auction public. So currently, let's check the current price. Current price is this amount. As you can see, every second the price is going decreased. So I will purchase this amount, the one quantity right now. The transaction is finished successfully. Then for the normal whitelist, and also we have a special whitelist mint function as well. In this case, we need to input the Markov proof. Markov proof is derived from whitelisted address, which we record before the minting, before we do the minting. So here, so set the Markov root. Markov root is the kind of result of hash tree of all whitelisted address. Where do I have? Uh, set- yes. Set normal whitelist markup. Yes. So here I will the markup here, which is already calculated previously, and so okay. Only owner can set this address markup root. I tried it again. Why is not the owner? Maybe this guy is owner. Let's see. Okay, so after that, let's just try out. So I will mint from this address. So we need to get the okay, let's see. I will try to mint from this address by invoking the function mint Dutch auction normal whitelist. So I need to get the markup rule here. This one is calculated here. So I input here and also need to check the current price. What is the current price? current price. Think that's enough. Not enough. Okay, then transact. Okay, it seems fine. Let's check the current total supply. Total is the total supply. Okay. Reach to insufficient amount. Whatever amount you can bid here, it's as long as the price is above the current price. Then we can get the final price because we can get the final price. Final price is not limit. Final price. Mm. Okay, sorry. DA final price. That's auction final price. Probably here. Yes. So final price is determined. That means whole auction is ended because the all that auction quantity of NST is minted out everything, and so now we can conduct the refund function and also withdraw function. So here is the refund function. As long as the minted period is end, anyone can invoke this refund function. Let's try. So um, the this this account can claim is zero because he didn't purchase anything. Sorry, let me change the address and try it again. So refund. Yes. So this guy will get this amount from the contract. So once it's refund everything, there is no any additional amount which he can claim. And as point of view of the team wallet address, we can send the remaining amount of this contract to the team wallet address, which is confirmed here. So let's transfer the remaining amount of the contract to this address. So that will be invoked by um, withdraw, withdraw, yes. So we have two withdraw function here. First one is withdraw initial fund. The second one is withdraw final funds. Just after the minting period ended, we can do this initial funds. Initial fund is basically we can calculate the remaining amount ex except the amount which we need to refund to the all investors. And then after calculate that amount and send that to the team wallet address. So let's try to do that. Only owner address can invoke the function. So let's try it out. Yes, so this amount goes to the wallet address right now. So team wallet address is the confirmed as this number. So actually this one is just get the amount from this contract right now. Okay, so and after the all minting public minting process ended, then this contract can accept to mint the free mint NFTs, which is described here. Free mint quantity is currently 420. So let's do that free mint. So free mint, it the person wanna invoke the free mint function. Their wallet address is uh, recorded on the free mint whitelist. So they can mint that. And also we have team mint function here. Team mint is basically the we can mint any amount of NFTs to the someone else from the someone of invoked by as long as which is invoked by the owner contract. That's kind of emergency case. We're gonna mint the NFT from this function, and at last we can withdraw any remaining funds from this contract by invoke this final funds. Withdraw final funds functions. In this case also, we're gonna send the all remaining amounts to team wallet address. Let me just keep in mind here is so we definitely make sure that all investor finished different ether function by themselves. Otherwise, so for that purpose, we we can confirm that waiting final withdrawal function here. So we should wait for this amount after the that auction is ended. And yeah, after that, only contract owner can invoke this function and drain all remaining amounts from the contract. That's the whole picture of how the data auction contract works. Thank you for watching.